Hello and welcome to another session with OCD. The other day I did a short video on high definition detail breakthrough wheel shampoo, which I thought was a good product, but unfortunately I couldn't really test how effective it was against dirty wheels or on dirty wheels, because the wheels on my car, they don't get too dirty. They were a bit dusty, but it looked good. I liked what I saw, but I really needed to try it out on some dirty wheels. And also the other day, about a week or so ago, I used dMax Fallout Tactics as a iron remover on the bodywork, but it can be used on wheels. It's a wheel cleaner, so I wanted to use that as well, but we're in the lockdown, so it's very difficult to get your hands on a grubby car. Other than my neighbour's car is particularly grubby, so I went over, knocked on his door, moved to the end of his path so we didn't incur any issues with social distancing, and I said to him, look, I've got some products that I want to try out and you've got a dirty car, and we got a deal. And he was, yeah, please, I'm over the moon, you carry on, you go for it. So I'm going to try HDD Brake Through wheel shampoo. I'm going to put that on a couple of wheels and see how we get on. Now I'm going to use it like I did the other day. I've got a solution mixed up in a bucket, and I've also got a solution mixed up in my foamer. So we'll wet the wheel down, rinse the wheel down, we'll foam it, and then we'll wash it. And then I've got fallout remover, dMax Fallout Tactics wheel cleaner, and we'll use that on the other two wheels and see how we get on. This isn't a comparison against one versus the other. This is purely, I've got an opportunity to try both products out. So it's not a case of is one better than the other or will one win. Just purely trying it out for my benefit. I'm going to share it with you, and then you guys can make your mind up that if you want to buy one of these products, then you've got a view of which one you would prefer. So there we go. So let's go out and have a quick look at the car, and I'm also going to give the car a wash as well, but I'll do that in a separate video because I've got another product that I want to try out on the car. So let's go have a quick look at the wheels. Okay, so here we are. It's a 2015 Volkswagen Passat, and as you can see, pretty grubby. Haven't been cleaned for a while. I don't think they've ever purposefully been cleaned. They might have been cleaned when the car was done, but you know, not properly. So these are probably well ground in dirt. I would think that's all that's had is just bodywork shampoo on it. It's had nothing else. So a really good test for both products. This side. Right, so let's go and get my bucket out and the bits and pieces, and we'll give them a clean. Right, so let's see what we make of HDD Brake Through wheel cleaner. Alright, we'll just give that a minute or two to dwell. Okay, as I said the other day, this is also good for, apparently, for the tyre wall, so we'll put some more on the tyre wall and then give that a bit of a scrub. Okay, having dried them and looked at them, the corners have still got little bits and pieces, not all of them but some of them. Now I have gone over the corners twice, but there are one or two little spots that will probably need something stronger, like a tyre remover or something in there. But bearing in mind, as far as I know, these haven't been properly cleaned probably since the car was new, and it's 5 years old, so no one's ever gone into this sort of detail before. Okay, wheel number 2. This is with dMax Fallout. Right, so you spray this on and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. Right, that should turn red. It's starting to go pinkish now, so let's leave that for a few minutes and we'll come back in a minute. Alright, that's been about 3.5 minutes, so this is a clean bucket of water, by the way. Right, it's very frothy. It's really quite foamy for a fallout cleaner, and this is a clean bucket of water. It's just plain water in the bucket, nothing else. So in the other bucket over here, I've got some. This is Brake Through, so I'm going to use Brake Through to clean the wall of the tyre. Well, that's clean. That's taken one application of dMax. So that's dMax Fallout Wheel Cleaner Tactics. So that's taken one application of that, and that wheel is very clean. I can't see any dirt left on there at all. Right, so okay, where are we? So let's take HDD Brake Through wheel shampoo. At the time I gave this 8 out of 10. I think my thoughts on this is I think this is a really good maintenance wheel shampoo. So for keeping moderately clean wheels, no, let's put that, for keeping moderately dirty wheels, good God Martin, sort yourself out. Okay, so where are we? So HDD Brake Through wheel shampoo. I think this is a really good maintenance shampoo. If your wheels are moderately dirty, or you want to use this on a regular basis, this is a really good shampoo. That car hadn't been cleaned, the wheels hadn't been cleaned for a long time. I don't think they'd ever properly been cleaned in the last 5 years. This did really well, but it took a couple of goes to get the real dirt out of the corners of the spokes, and even then I had to go over it with some fallout and some tyre remover, which is fair enough. This doesn't say it's a fallout or tyre remover, this says a shampoo, so I think that's fair enough. I think this is a really good maintenance wheel shampoo. We'll definitely be keeping this on my shelf. I like that. Okay, so dMax wheel cleaner fallout tactics. What do I think of that? I think that's excellent. I think that's really a good wheel cleaner. It's strong. This isn't something that you would use on a maintenance wash. I think you would choose the Brake Through shampoo for a maintenance wash. This is for dirty wheels, and it one go sorted those wheels out. It got rid of all of the dirt in the corners of the spokes. Top marks. That's a really good wheel cleaner. I'm really pleased with that. I got this one, was sent to me by dMax, so I didn't pay for this, so I'm not sure what the cost is, but I will be getting some more of that. I will be buying some of that. That's good, I like that. For a car that hadn't had its wheels cleaned in 5 years, or properly, let's put that right, properly cleaned in 5 years, as far as I can tell anyway, this sorted it out. It was frothy. It smells, but then you expect fallout, fallout to smell. But it was frothy, foamy. Yeah, really good product. Really like that. Top marks for that one, and I reckon 8 out of 10 for that one. But I like both products. We'll be keeping both products on the shelf, but they are different products. One's more of a maintenance product, one's more for attacking really dirty wheels. So you would need the pair of them, I think, on your shelf. And I will keep them on my shelf. So I hope that's been of some use to you. I know I did one the other day on HDD. That didn't, you know, it looked good, it felt good, it smelt good, but it wasn't a really dirty wheel. So I've now done it on dirty wheels. The guy over the road's really pleased. Well, I hope he is. So there we go. So in these troubled times, you guys and girls out there, you be sensible and you take care of yourselves. Until the next time, cheerio, take care.